Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a descaling of my Keurig. I have the Keurig 2.0, so I'm going to be showing you how I descale it. Starting off, you'll need some white vinegar. They do make a descaling solution specifically by Keurig. If you wanted to purchase that, you could, but this is just a simple at-home descaling. So here I'm just adding the vinegar into the water reservoir. You're going to want to run a few brews without any coffee. You're just running hot water through the machine, and just do that as many times as you can to get rid of the vinegar. The next part is just deassembling your Keurig. All the parts I'm taking off I'm going to throw in the dishwasher for a quick rinse, and here I'm just taking apart where the actual coffee pods go. Be careful when you take this out because there is a needle down in there, but it just pops right out. You can throw it in the dishwasher and it's good to go. In the water reservoir you will have a filter. This is to be replaced, I believe, every 2 months or so, depending on how often you use the Keurig, but it just helps with the taste of the coffee. So here I'm just popping the cap off. Inside is the water filter itself, and we'll be replacing that with a new one and putting it back in.
We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. To say we tried. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're leaving, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna wait.
Now I'm just going to wipe down the outside of the machine. Here you'll see some coffee stains on it itself, so I'm just going to wipe it down as best I can and clean out the inside of where the coffee pods go as well. There is a little tray in there that you can take out and put in the dishwasher as well, but I just cleaned it myself this time around.